Welcome back to the channel, guys. Tonight I am going up to Denver to go to a car meet called Nationwide. I've heard a lot of good things about them, but I've never been to one, so tonight will be my first time. Also, I'm trying out this camera. We're currently on the Nikon D3300 or whatever it's called, so we're going to try that out, see how it goes. I'm not gonna be racing tonight, obviously, because I mean apparently they do a lot of racing. So I set my GoPro up just to capture some things that happen if they do happen in front of me. I'm not even gonna try to race tonight. My car is pretty much bone stock, so there's no point. But I might try to see if I can catch my friend's RS3 doing some races. He really wants to race it. He hasn't raced anybody yet. He's pretty excited to race people, so we'll see how he does. Just rolled over 50,000 miles. She's already getting old. The lighting up here is absolute shit. There's really no lights. I love you, Mom. Alright, so they just told us the next spot, but this is going to be a shit show getting out of here. If I had to guess, there's probably definitely over 1,000 cars, probably closer to 1,200 to 1,400 cars here. It's absolutely nuts. If we wouldn't have got here so late, I would have filmed more, but we got to walk around for like a second and then we had to dip, so. So I originally faced the GoPro facing forward because I thought if anybody was going to race me, they would definitely beat me. So there's no point in putting it backwards if I was going to lose. But I ended up beating like 2 or 3 cars tonight, so I should have put it backwards at least. But then as soon as I thought about putting it back forward, or putting it backwards, I got gapped, so who knows. I probably didn't get the best footage tonight. I haven't even looked at the GoPro yet. GoPro normally doesn't get that great of footage unless you're right next to them. So probably not the greatest footage tonight, but we're calling it a night. It's 12:30. We got to work in the morning, so, well, I don't, but hopefully I got decent footage. If I see anything else on the cruise back, I'll whip out this camera. This camera is definitely a lot better. I just didn't want to while I was racing because, you know, it's kind of sketchy holding a big ass DSLR while you're trying to race. But I'll think of a better GoPro mount next time. Next time, honestly, I think I'm just going to ride with Brandon. He's the one with the RS3. Just so I can get footage of him racing people. It's kind of pointless for me to bring my car down here. It's not going to beat hardly anybody other than like stock stuff. Nothing really interesting. But it would be cool to get some runs of him, just see what he can do. I wanted one of those so bad. One of the Alphas. I don't think that's a Giulia, and it doesn't even have plates on it. But I wanted one of those so bad. I'd love to race one someday. Probably not the Quadrifoglio, because that thing would gap me, but one of these stock ones, or these base room model ones, I could probably keep up with. Who knows? Well, that's going to be it for tonight. I am super tired. I'm about 5 minutes from my house. It's 2:07. I am literally gonna go straight to my bed and fall asleep. Like, so fucking tired right now. I used to be able to do this shit like every night, and this shit's rough now. But super glad to be back on YouTube. Super glad to be making videos again. It's a lot of fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. I'm so tired, I don't know what to say. Alright, good night.